Taking the time to collect a sample correctly to submit for lab analysis will ensure the results you receive are representative of the current conditions in your machine sumps. Ensure the machine is on with coolant flowing and circulation of the metalworking fluid is occurring for a sufficient amount of time to allow for mixing of any contaminants. When preparing to take a sample, ensure that you have a clean, dry bottle with a secure top to collect the fluid. A common mistake is to use whatever container is close at hand, such as pop bottles, used water bottles, or other used containers. Avoid these options, as doing so could contaminate your sample and result in inaccurate results. One area that can be utilized to obtain a sample is from the nozzles near the machine spindle. Take precaution to ensure that you are following all safety procedures when obtaining a sample from this space. The machine should be turned off prior to reaching into or placing any objects into the cutting area. Testing the condition of a properly maintained sump can be on a monthly or bi-monthly basis to ensure that the fluid is still within operational recommendations. Some indicators that would warrant more frequent checks include new or unfamiliar odors coming from the sump area, excessive amounts of visible tramp oil, unexplained foam, or visible corrosion that was not previously present. A secondary option that can be utilized to obtain a sample is from the area near the sump. Again, ensure that a clean, dry container is available for collection. If, after sufficient coolant circulation time, there is still tramp oil present on the surface of the sump, gently mix the surface of the fluid with the bottom of the collection container or a gloved hand to obtain an area clear from the oil layer. This will allow for an accurate assessment of the oil present in the system. Submerge the container below the fluid surface to collect a full 6 to 8 ounces of the metalworking fluid. And prepare the sample for shipping by securing the top and cleaning the bottle. Label the bottle with relevant machine identification, date of collection, and product information directly on the bottle or cap. Additional relevant information can be included separately as needed. If sending in more than one sample, it is important to label each one accordingly. In this video, we've outlined the essential techniques for the proper sampling of metalworking coolants to ensure the most accurate lab assessment of a system's condition. For more information on this and any other topics, please visit our website at castrol.com or reach out to your local Castrol representative.